15 Essential Automotive Tips Every Driver Should Know. 1. Regular maintenance saves money. Keeping up with routine maintenance prevents costly repairs. Neglecting tasks like oil changes and brake inspections can lead to bigger issues. Save money in the long run by staying on top of your vehicle's maintenance needs. 2. Check your tire pressure monthly. Proper tire pressure improves fuel efficiency and safety. Underinflated tires increase the risk of blowouts, while overinflated tires reduce traction. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure monthly for smoother, safer rides. 3. Inspect your brakes often. Squealing, grinding, or soft brake pedals signal brake issues. Don't ignore these warning signs, as failing brakes can cause accidents. Regular brake inspections ensure your safety and prevent costly repairs. 4. Know your fluid levels. Regularly check fluids like oil, coolant, and brake fluid to prevent engine damage. Topping up fluids as needed maintains optimal performance. Stay proactive in maintaining proper fluid levels for a healthy vehicle. 5. Keep your windshield clean. Replace worn wiper blades and clean your windshield regularly for clear visibility. A clean windshield is crucial for safe driving, especially in bad weather. Prioritize windshield maintenance to ensure clear views on the road. 6. Don't ignore warning lights. Dashboard warning lights indicate potential issues. Ignoring them can lead to costly repairs. Promptly address warning lights to keep your vehicle running smoothly. 7. Rotate your tires regularly. Tire rotation ensures even wear, extending tire lifespan. Regular rotations maintain traction and handling performance. Schedule tire rotations every 5,000 to 7,000 miles for optimal tire health. 8. Use quality fuel. Opt for high-quality fuel to improve engine performance and fuel efficiency. Quality fuel helps prevent engine deposits and prolongs engine life. Invest in quality fuel for a smoother, more efficient ride. 9. Practice defensive driving. Stay alert and anticipate hazards to avoid accidents. Maintain a safe following distance and obey traffic laws. Defensive driving keeps you and others safe on the road. 10. Park in the shade. Parking in the shade protects your car's interior from sun damage. It reduces the need for excessive air conditioning, saving fuel. Choose shaded parking spots to preserve your vehicle's condition and improve fuel efficiency. 11. Keep your car clean. Regular washing and waxing protect your car's paint from corrosion. Clean interiors provide a hygienic driving environment. Maintain cleanliness to preserve your car's appearance and value. 12. Listen for unusual sounds. Pay attention to squeaks, rattles, or knocks, as they may indicate underlying issues. Have unusual noises inspected promptly to prevent breakdowns. Addressing strange sounds early prevents costly repairs later on. 13. Avoid overloading your vehicle. Exceeding weight limits strains your vehicle's components and reduces fuel efficiency. Be mindful of your vehicle's weight capacity to prevent premature wear. Avoid overloading your vehicle to maintain its performance and safety. 14. Plan ahead for long trips. Before long journeys, inspect your vehicle thoroughly for any issues. Check tire pressure, fluid levels, and belts to avoid breakdowns. Proper preparation ensures a smooth and safe trip. 15. Stay informed. Keep up with automotive technologies and driving techniques. Staying informed empowers you to handle any situation on the road. Stay updated to enhance your driving knowledge and safety. Enjoyed these automotive tips? Share them with friends and family to help them stay safe on the road. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful advice and automotive insights.